Hello, this is Miss Escamilla. Today's screencast will explain how to use the Ventures Arcade. First, go to Google and type in Amber Miller ESL. I use this website first to find all our different ESL websites. Click on her website and you will see 6 choices. Click on the grammar and then click on Ventures Arcade. Sometimes when you get to the Ventures Arcade, it will be plain white with little blue writing in the upper corner. Ventures Arcade uses something called Flash. So if I click on that little print, a box will open and I just click Allow, Run Flash. And now you'll see the Ventures Arcade open. Now the red is open. This is level 1, and we want the green level 3 because we use Ventures Green Level 3 student books. You will see a list of units. We are studying the Health unit, Unit 4 right now. When you click on Health, it gives you many choices. The A, B, C, D correspond to the lessons in your book. Let's start with A. Vocabulary. It's a crossword puzzle. The directions are at the top. Let's read them. Crossword puzzle, good health habits. Complete the crossword puzzle. I'm going to start with the first question. When I click on it, it highlights the question and highlights the boxes. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes, so it should have 6 letters. The sentence says, you should follow your doctor's blank. I think maybe instructions, but instructions is too long. I need some help, and so I am going to go down to show letter. It gives me a hint, the letter A. You should follow your doctor's advice. So I'm going to click in the letters A, D, V, I, C, E, advice. I spell it in each square. Now there's another hint at the bottom, and it says this activity practices vocabulary from Lesson A. So it corresponds to Unit 4, Lesson A, which is on page 45 in your book. Some people open their student books to that page while they're doing the activities. To try another lesson, you click on Menu and back to Health, and we're going to go to this Lesson B. Again, we read the directions. What do you see? Match the picture with the correct phrase. So, I see a picture of a man and a piece of cake, and I read the sentences, and I think he hasn't given up cake. So you're to match it. So I'm going to click on it, and it's not going. It doesn't do it. I don't know what to do. So there's another hint. There's a green box that says help. I'm going to read it. Look at the picture. Click on the correct word. If you're correct, the word in the picture will move to a box. Let's try it again. So I'm just going to click. Hasn't given up cake. Oh, that worked. So this one is a woman with vitamins. Has taken vitamins. Very good. That's all the time I have to explain today. Hopefully this tutorial shall help you get at least a little start in practicing your English with Ventures Arcade. Have a good time.